close your eyes.
Imagine the world in 20 years if no one did anything to help save it.
Imagine your old backyard and where you used to play outside.
Imagine the beach you used to visit as a child, and what it would look like if no one cared about the trash they left behind.
Imagine the first national park you ever went to if there were no birds or wildflowers.
Open your eyes.
I'm Amelia.
I'm Meg.
I'm John,
I'm Ryan.
And I'm Keenan.
and we're 5 students at the University of Massachusetts who took one small step to help save the planet.
Environmental leaders are the backbone of effective conservation action. It takes confident and headstrong individuals to rally people towards a common goal. Good environmental leaders can inspire people to work together for the planet, leading to large-scale environmental action.
I think the most effective things are just like small and throughout the day.
I think one of the biggest little things that you can do is just recycle more. I feel like a lot of people just unknowingly just throw stuff into the trash. It's actually taking the time to recycle can definitely help the planet.
Picking up pieces of trash that you just happen to see, just little pieces of litter, shutting off the water while you're brushing your teeth. I think the culmination of all of those things together really add up, and they take not even a second to do.
If you see trash outside, pick it up.
The planet around us won't get better with just a few environmental leaders. It's about everyone joining the conversation, everyone stepping in and doing their part, and everyone engaging in the world they live in. It's about getting people, no matter their background, education, or job status, involved, whether it's as small as turning out the lights and carpooling or as big as having a net zero carbon footprint.
I don't know what this is, but it looks like part of somebody's car.
That's not supposed to be there. That's not supposed to be there.
I was surprised to see how much trash was actually a good distance away from the road. You expect to find a lot by the edge where people would typically throw trash out the window, but you forget about the wind from cars and from storms that blow the trash further from the side into the middle of the field.
While we were picking up trash, a lot of the trash we found was difficult to see. I was surprised to see how much trash we had to dig up from the soil. I actually expected there to be much more trash than there actually was, which was encouraging to see. I had a great time picking up trash. If you go out on a nice day, you get to spend a few hours outside with friends and feel accomplished afterwards.
I found that when we were picking up trash in the field, we were able to cover a good deal of ground in a relatively short amount of time. This made me think about how different things could be if everyone took the time to pick up some trash. If 5 of us could clean a huge field in an hour, then if everyone took a bit of time to pick up litter around them, there would be no litter. I think it's important to encourage others to go volunteer so that our habitat can be kept consistently clean.
Our experience cleaning up trash was quite eye-opening. It made us realize just how much trash that people don't properly dispose of. Overall, this experience has shown us that we all need to do more in order to help save the planet, and that if we are more mindful of how we dispose of our waste, then that will make a big difference for the planet.